Hi guys, so welcome to the project file tour of my history project file. So for this my topic was the Mauryan Empire and the inception of Buddhism. So this was basically two projects combined and it was made into a one single topic. So here is my file. This is the cover page. So I made that little camera thing so you can rotate it and it gives a very good impact on the externals because it is something very unique. So for this, I had done all these illustrations on Canva. I can drop a link below so you can use my template so you don't have to do that much work. This spiral binding is done normally. Just go to the shop and ask them to do it. Here the synopsis part was written by my handwriting. Here in the index, you can see all the ice cream sticks are decorated nicely and you can see these little film reel type parts you will see on the left side. They can also flip open because it's give a really nice effect. And then on the left side you can see that white page. It's not just empty. I've done that with invisible ink, so when the external comes, then at the moment I just give her a brush and a solution so she can just swatch that thing and then the revealing text will come out. So yeah, I get it, it's too much mehnat, but yeah, you have to do it sometimes. Then on this page is the 3D part comes up and there is a map. I have done a map over here in the white thing, and for this I have written with white pen, and all the pictures on the left side, that link also I'll add in the description, so you just need to switch your images with mine. So that's it, all have to do. And then on this reel part I've done coffee pages, so you can see that reel, the Mauryan Empire, it is written. It can be flipped open, that also I have to do. This project was made with too much hard work and too much mehnat, so if you want you can make a little bit lower version of it because you don't have to do that much if you don't have much time. Here the coffee pages, just take a white page, then you have to take coffee and water, like take little bit coffee powder and take more of water, just dip it, and then you have to put that all on your white pages and let it dry. Then after some time when it dries up, then you put that mixture again, but in small patches, so you'll get a little historic type of feeling for that. If you want me to help you with your project files or if you want to give orders, then you can just DM me on Instagram or you can also email me. Then for this part I have done that top headings on Canva. I've designed them, then I took a printout on ivory paper and then I cut them, and now it's looking very pretty. On the left side, especially for my history project, I think I had done more of hard work in the pictures part, because on the pictures part you can see I've done that picture, then I've done that whole scrape paper type of thing, and then I've even added the title. So it took too much time, but if you don't have time then you can just use the templates I'm adding in the description. So you just have to replace your text. Rest you don't have to do anything because I've already done too much hard work in searching all the good illustrations and like the free ones, okay, because you don't have to pay anything for it. And on the left part again you can see Lomus Rishi cave, the whole background and the whole border which is given. On the right page you can see stupas, chaityas and virahas. The map part of, you can see this map, it's looking like a map. The coffee page is looking like a map. So however you want to decorate your paper, you can just do it with that coffee ka mixture. Down you can see again an invisible ink part, so I've done some footsteps over there. You don't know what it is done, but I know because I've made it. So there were footsteps, so when the external could just watch it with the brush, then she could see the footsteps revealing outside. So if you want you can also do something like that. Here I've done a film reel again and I have added pictures in it, then I took a print out of it. On the left side you can see there is another invisible ink, and on the right side now you can see the theme has completely switched because now this is the Buddhism part. So the Mauryan Empire part got over and now this is the Buddhism part. So in the same project I chose another color scheme. So if you want some help in choosing your color scheme, then just drop down a comment below and I'll suggest you some color schemes, because many students have been commenting and thank you so much for it. On the left part again you can see I've done that title with another font because now the theme is completely different. I've kept the film reel same, the 8-fold path, it's completely the same. And if I find the template for this 8-fold path spiral thing, then I'll add that too, because I'm not really sure if I have it still or not. Make sure to add page numbers on all of your projects because I think the teachers do need it. Then for the spiral binding part, don't do too much spiral binding ka jhanjat. Just give them the shopkeepers the whole project. And another big thing, when you're making your project, make sure you don't write till the extreme left part, because for my political science project I remember I wrote from the extremely left. So when it got binded, then the holes all came on my handwriting. So that doesn't look good. So I'm telling you beforehand, make sure you leave some space, imagining that it's going to get binded. Now you can see that another for the Buddhism part. Now I chose a completely different color scheme. Now it is peach color pages and with a little bit of green tinge. So we can never think कि peach और green एक साथ अच्छा लगेगा, but you have to think a little bit, and that's the color scheme. Color scheme के लिए make sure you do a little bit research and like color देख लेना आप, आपके पास कौन से available हो, या फिर shopkeepers को बोलना आप कि आप मुझे सारे दिखा दो and I will choose. So if you want, you can do that. और also comment down below, या वरना मैं आपको बता दूँगी आपकी कलर स्कीम के लिए. For history project, make sure you put too much efforts on the historical part. Research करो and आपने जो लिखा है उस पर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत करो. अगर आप मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट करोगे, I'll tell you कि आपको मटीरियल कैसे ढूंढना है, और मैटर अगर नहीं मिल रहा है लिखने का, so that also I'll let you know. फिर उसके बाद आपको फोकस इस पार्ट पे करना है कि आपकी चीज़ें अच्छी दिख रही है एंड दे आर वेरी विजिबल एंड वेरी क्लियर टू सी. लाइक जो आप राइट पेजेस पे लिख रहे हो उसकी सेम पिक्चर्स आप लेफ्ट पेजेस पे डाल दो, बिकॉज द एक्सटर्नल विल बी वेरी हैप्पी कि आपने जो लिखा है वो उससे मैच कर रहा है. फॉर द सर्वे पार्ट, मैं ये सर्वे का पूरा टेम्पलेट जो मैंने वो बैकग्राउंड बनाया, आई विल ड्रॉप दैट इन द कमेंट्स. सो आप अपने सर्वे के क्वेश्चंस डाल देना. एंड ये सब मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स से फिल करवाए हैं, कुछ मेरी बहन ने फिल किए, कुछ मेरी मामा ने फिल किए. बट मेक श्योर दे आर राइटिंग गुड आंसर्स. ऐसे ही नहीं कि उनको बस येस नो वाले क्वेश्चंस देना, आप ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देना जिसमें उनको लाइक इन डिटेल लिखना पड़े. सो व्हेन द एक्सटर्नल ऑल्सो रीड्स इट. और ये एम्प्टी नहीं था, मैंने ये बाद में भरवा लिया था. अब जब मैंने पिक्चर ली थी तब ये थोड़ा सा एम्प्टी था, बाकी मैंने भरवा लिए थे. एंड मेक श्योर दे आर राइटिंग डिटेल्ड आंसर. अगर उनके पास टाइम नहीं है, देन यू टेल देम कि ये घर ले जाओ सर्वे, बट अच्छे से लिख कर लाना, बिकॉज इट मतलब अच्छे आंसर्स रहेंगे ना तो टीचर्स को भी पढ़ने में थोड़ा सा मज़ा ही आता है. एंड एट द एंड वहाँ पे बिब्लोग्राफी आएगी, विच विल नॉट बी विजिबल बिकॉज आई डिड दैट विथ अगेन इनविजिबल इंक. यहाँ भी टाइटल इनविजिबल इंक से यू कैन सी लिटिल बिट मैंने लर्निंग फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट लिखा है. सो फॉर द इनविजिबल इंक पार्ट मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसकी रेसिपी लिख के दे दूँगी, सो इवन यू कैन मेक इट. बिब्लोग्राफी वॉज डन एंड यहाँ पे मैंने बाजू में कैसल भी बनाया था विथ इनविजिबल इंक. सो आई होप यू लाइक दिस प्रोजेक्ट. अगर आपको कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए हो, जस्ट ड्रॉप डाउन इन अ कमेंट्स और email me or just DM me on Instagram. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this and all the best for your project files. I hope you do well.